In this video, I will show you how to move desktop icons anywhere in Windows 10. If you notice that your desktop icons snap to a grid and you cannot move them freely, follow these steps. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop, hover over View in the menu, and check Align icons to grid by clicking on it. Now, try to moving your icons freely. Want to reset it? Just follow the same steps and check Align icons to grid again. To make icons smaller or larger, follow this quick trick. Hold Ctrl key on your keyboard. Scroll down with your mouse wheel to make icons smaller. Scroll up with your mouse wheel to make icons bigger. This lets you customize your desktop layout the way you like. And that's it. Now you can move and resize your desktop icon easily. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.